Lesson 2-7, Example 1. Our objective here is to learn to solve whole number multiplication equations. Here we have a multiplication equation. 5 multiplied by p is equal to 75. Remember that when you see a number next to a variable, it means that there's a multiplication operation happening. So if we are just trying to find out what p equals, so that's our question. We want to know what p equals. So we want to get p by itself, and so that we have a number over here. So how are we going to do that? Well, we have 5 times p equaling 75. So we have a multiplication operation. We need to undo the multiplication. We need to do the inverse. Well, the inverse, or the opposite of multiplication, is division. So if we multiply 5 times p, we want to get rid of this 5, so we're going to undo that multiplication. We're going to divide by 5. And when you see a little line like this, that also is another symbol for division. So 5p divided by 5, 5 divided by 5 is going to equal 1. The p stays the same, so 1 times p. Well, 1 times p is the same as just p. Our equal sign comes straight down. Now if we take this and we divide on one side, we need to keep our equation in balance. So we're going to divide the other side by 5 as well. So 75 divided by 5 is 15. So now we're thinking that p is equal to 15. Let's double check that though. Let's go ahead and take our 15 and we're going to put it back into our original equation. And just to make sure that I'm noticing, and I'm going to change color here. So 5 times 15, 5 times p, 5 times 15 equals 75. And this is what we're wondering right here. So 15 times 5, 5 times 5 is 25, 5 times 1 is 5, plus 2 is 7, and we have 75, which is equal to 75. So yes, p does equal 15. Our solution is correct. Let's take a look at another one though. Here we have 16 equaling 8 times r. Well, again, we have multiplication. We need to undo that. So we're going to divide this side by r, and if we do it to one side, we need to do it to the other side to keep our equation in balance. Well, 8 divided by 8 is 1. We're still multiplying by r, so 1 times r is just r. Our equal sign stays the same. 16 divided by 8 is 2. So right now we're thinking that r is equal to 2. Let's double check that. 16 equals 8. And for r, we're going to put in 2. So 8 times 2. So this is what we're wondering about here. And 8 times 2 is 16. So yes, r equals 2 is the correct solution for that particular problem.